Let me ask you something. What if one single click could take your video and instantly turn it into different languages? Same avatar, same voice, same flow. But now, your message is ready for the entire world. That's not a dream. That's exactly what HeyGen can do. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to translate your videos inside HeyGen, how to add multiple languages in a single project, and even how to take an existing YouTube or Drive video and give it subtitles, voice, and lip sync in minutes. And if this is your first time here, welcome to NextGen AI Lab, where I share the latest AI tools to help you work smarter and create faster.
All right, let's get started. Open your browser, type HeyGen into the Google search bar, and hit Enter. When the results appear, click on the very first link to access HeyGen's homepage. Here, you'll see a bold purple Get Started for Free button. Just click it, and we'll jump right into creating your account. After clicking Get Started for Free, you'll land on HeyGen's sign-up page. Here, you could enter your email and hit Send Code to get a verification code, but I'm going for the faster route, signing in with Google. Just click the Google icon below, pick your account, and HeyGen will set up your account instantly. Next, HeyGen will ask you to choose a plan. I recommend starting with the free plan to try out all the features first, then upgrade later if you need to. We'll quickly go through the initial setup. You can select anything you want here just to complete it. And we're ready. This is the HeyGen dashboard. On the left, there's your main menu with sections like Projects, My Avatars, Voices, Templates, and more. This is where you'll manage all your videos, avatars, and creative assets. In the center, HeyGen highlights new features like here. The first Creative OS is coming. If you're curious, you can click View Waitlist to get early access. Right below is the Create Something New section. This is where the magic starts. You can photo to video with Avatar 4. Turn a photo into a video with an avatar. Quick avatar video. Create a video in just a few clicks. Create your avatar. Design your own AI avatar. Plus tools like Translate Video, PPT, PDF to video, super handy for all kinds of projects.
Just finished creating a new video in HeyGen and want to translate it? No problem. Once your video is generated, head to its share page and click Translate. From there, choose up to 5 target languages to translate the spoken script. Make sure to check the box that says Translate Script. Want to include on-screen text as well? Just click the Translate Text on Canvas button to translate all visible text in your scene. When you're ready, click Translate. HeyGen will automatically create a new draft for each language, keeping the exact scenes and layout from your original video. Want to create a multi-language video in HeyGen? Here's how. Use a separate scene for each language you want to include. In each scene, you can either write your script in the target language or translate it from the original. To translate a single scene, click the 3-dot menu in the script panel. Select Translate, pick your target language, and hit Apply. Need to make edits? No problem. Just tweak the translated script directly in the panel. Repeat this process for each language, and your multi-language video will be ready to go. Here's a quick best practice. When using a voice to speak another language, it's generally best to keep the original accent of the voice, unless your message calls for a specific change. Most voice providers support a variety of languages while maintaining the tone and character of the original voice. But if accent accuracy matters, test a few voices and accents to find the best fit. To translate an external video, start from your HeyGen homepage. Click Create Video, then choose Translate a Video. Paste in a YouTube or Google Drive link or upload your video file. Click Next. HeyGen will automatically detect the original language. You can select up to 5 target languages. Need more control? Click the Advanced tab. Here you can select the number of speakers, upload a transcript, turn lip sync on or off, remove background sound, and more. We also recommend keeping dynamic duration turned on. This automatically adjusts your video timing to match the translated script, so if the new version is slightly longer or shorter, it still flows naturally. And that's it. Whether you're translating one video or building a global library in multiple languages, HeyGen makes it easy. New bantay video ni hu ich, jungquen han subscribe, jekong bulun hung mio AI moin hatten hi.